Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about the application related to atmospheric refraction. We have already studied about refraction. What is refraction? When light ray travels from one medium to another, it changes its path. Now we will discuss atmospheric refraction. All of you have seen the twinkling effect of stars in the night. Do you know why this effect occurs? Or whenever light from stars reach in our atmosphere have different layers. The near the surface of earth, it is a denser layer. Air has high density, and as we move upside, altitude increase from the surface of earth, density reduces. So when light ray enter in earth's atmosphere, it reflect many time, and there is not a fixed boundary, there is layers which can be little changed. So many times there is refraction of light ray which is coming from star. It reflect many time and it produce a twinkling effect. So stars twinkle due to atmospheric refraction. There is one question maybe in your mind, that why planets do not twinkle? Because light from planet is also coming to from atmosphere of earth. Okay? So why it does not appear to twinkle as stars appear? Now see, actually size of star is very large in comparison to planet, but planet are near to earth in comparison to stars. So apparent size of star is point size. So light is coming from a point, and that light coming from that point, that is refracting many times, which appear twinkling effect. But in case of planet, its apparent size is big and light is coming from many points, and when it enter in earth's atmosphere, they cancel the twinkling effect of each other. So lights coming from many points of planet cancel the twinkling effect of each other, and planets do not twinkle. Clear? Now second application related to atmospheric refraction. When basically sun is below the horizon of earth and light coming from sun, it many time face atmospheric refraction and it appear to coming up from above the horizon. Due to this, there is early sunrise of 2 minutes, and due to same phenomena, there is 2 minutes delayed sunset. So this affect the duration of the day. Clear? So as in morning, when sun is below the horizon, it faces many time light coming from sun faces many time atmospheric refraction, and it appear to be rises, but it is not actually rise. And similarly in the evening, when sun has actually set, but still light coming from the sun appear to be coming from above of the horizon. So there is delayed of sunrise and sunset and early sunrise. I hope these two basic applications are clear to you. Atmospheric refraction related phenomena. So 3 questions asked in the exam related to this atmospheric refraction. Number 1, main important, why do star twinkles? Why do stars twinkle? Second, why planets do not twinkle? Third, what is the reason of early sunrise or delayed sunset? Or how the atmospheric refraction on the duration of day. I hope it is clear to you. Have a nice day. Thank you.